part of the assimilation policy of the Chinese government in East Turkestan, Uyghur people are still being arbitrarily interned. As the Free Asia Radio reported, Professor Kamil Rahim was arrested in April of 2018. The academic served from 2002 to 2011 in Urumqi, a city in East Turkestan, as a teacher of literature and curriculum advisor. His daughter, who lives in the Netherlands, confirms his imprisonment. Journalists from the media company Bloomberg went to China to report on the events in East Turkestan. The reporters were shocked by the unsustainable conditions in the region. Constant surveillance and harassing controls by armed forces at every turn. Islamic cultural assets of the Uyghur folk would be rigorously replaced by Chinese culture, and the people arbitrarily locked up in detention centers. Likewise, the journalist visited the so-called training camps, where many inmates confirmed that they were there by their own will, which, however, was considered to be one of little credibility by the reporters. Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Maria Zarova warns Venezuelan politicians against provocation by the Guaido opposition, which on May 1 intends to highlight their displeasure with their largest demonstration yet. The United States is anxious to use any possibility to destabilize the country, so Zaharova. After Chinese warships stopped the French frigate on Formosa Street, there are tensions between powers and Beijing. In the environment of the French Minister of Defense, it was said that before the now publicized incident of early April, French naval vessels crossed the Strait of Taiwan on average once a year without incident or reaction from Beijing. A spokesman for the Chinese Ministry of Defense had previously stressed that the French frigate had passed through the straits between the East and South China Sea without Beijing's permission. The use of the Chinese warships was therefore in accordance with the law. China views the island of Taiwan as part of its territory. The danger of attack in Sri Lanka is not over yet. Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe warned against other terrorists who could carry explosives. The authorities had previously reported arresting 16 other suspects. That means 76 people are in custody. The local investigators are supported by teams from the FBI and Interpol.